Ichiyo's Japanese online lesson.
皆さん、こんにちは。My name is Ichiyo. I represent Ichiyo's Japanese online lesson. This is a prior video. I taught hiragana long vowels in this video. Please learn hiragana long vowels in advance. Today, we'll focus on katakana long vowels. Can you read this word correctly? This is letters. カレー
It means curry.
カレーカレー Could you determine the long vowel? Vowels of hiragana and katakana are a bit different. Do you know what is the difference? We can't read Japanese sentences without knowing katakana basics. Please learn them through this video. To understand today's content correctly, we also recommend watching these videos. Now, let's get today's video started. The difference between hiragana and katakana long vowels. Firstly, I'll teach you the difference between hiragana and katakana long vowels. Here are some vocabulary that we don't write in katakana. From the left, we read them as 数学 Q お父さん数学 Q お父さん They have long vowels. These are the katakana vocabulary. From the left, we read them as キャラクターカーペットシートキャラクターカーペットシート In katakana, we use a horizontal line to indicate a long vowel. This is the difference between hiragana and katakana long vowels. The horizontal line is officially used only in katakana. By the way, we write these words using kanji. Horizontal line in katakana. I'll explain the horizontal line in katakana. This katakana word is read as guitar.
It means guitar.
Guitar. Guitar. Katakana uses this horizontal line as a long vowel. It's called 超音符 or 音引き. However, Japanese people seldom use this kind of jargon. The line needs to be accompanied by a katakana character. There is no direct pronunciation for this line when seen alone. I don't know how to read this line. When the line is combined with a katakana character, we can know how to pronounce it. In this word, there is ta before the line. The vowel of ta is a. In this case, the line is pronounced as a. We read the line as same as the prior character's vowel. Therefore, we read this word as guitar. Guitar. This is the next example vocabulary. This is letters. Beaker.
It means beaker.
Beaker. Beaker. There are lines after the katakana bi and ka. We can read these lines when we look at the vowels of the prior katakana. When the lines are attached to a katakana character, we can know how to read them. ザ・ローマ字 B is B and E. The E is a vowel. We pronounce the first line as the vowel E. The ローマ字 Ka is K and A. The A is a vowel. We pronounce the second line as the vowel A. Please listen to the pronunciation again. Beaker, beaker. I'll show you other example vocabulary. Card,
It means card.
card, card, card. Beer,
It means beer.
beer, beer, beer. Pool,
It means pool.
pool, pool, pool. Ball,
It means ball.
ball, ball, ball. Internet,
It means the internet.
internet, internet, internet. Spray,
It means spray.
spray, spray, spray.
Summary.
Here are some katakana vocabulary using long vowels. The horizontal lines indicate long vowels. The line is used only in katakana. We can read these lines when we look at the vowels of the prior katakana. Thank you for watching this video. Did our video help you learn Japanese? Do you feel strange when you read this word? Today, I taught you that the line is used only in katakana. However, there are exceptions. This word is written in hiragana. I'll teach the exceptions in the next video. This is the next video. I hope you keep watching our videos. それでは次回の動画でお会いしましょう。さようなら。